Hi everyone, this is a video to replace the Asus UL30A-X5. Sorry it doesn't completely show it. Anyways, here's a laptop and it's a 13.3 LED screen that I'm trying to change. So first off, as always, you start off by taking off the stickers, and there are 6 stickers total. The 4 top ones are the cushiony ones, and then there are 2 bottom ones that are kind of flimsier, just to cover the screws. I've already done this one, so it's gonna come off easier for me, but it's just a little bit of nail power. This shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so once you took them off, you have 6 screws underneath them, 4 on top, 2 on the bottom, and the corners. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, what I use for everything just about, and you open them up. So I'm gonna end up with 4 screws that are just alike each other. The 4 top ones are darker in color, the bottom 2 are more silvery. It shouldn't be a problem switching them in between if you want to. You just gotta be careful not to lose them, if anything. Just gotta hold on for a minute. This guy. Once you took them all out, the cover comes off. You can pull it from the corner, and you grab the corner and just pull it out. It's plastic, and it comes off very easily. Once you have it out, this should look like this. Put it to the side, and here's the screen. It isn't, this screen, unlike most other laptops, isn't screwed down to the back, so you just have to pull it off on the 2 sides, take it off, and then you'll see a wire at the bottom, right here. You need to take this off in order to detach the laptop, detach the screen. There's a protective plastic that's holding it down. I've already ripped this off before. You can rip it off just very easily. And then you take this thing out. Shouldn't be that hard. The piece, in order to be more stable, comes with a piece of sticker. Get closer. It comes with a piece of sticker, this part, which is supposed to hold it together, keep it together. So just lift the and then pull the monitor, the screen, and you shouldn't have any problem with the rest. Once it's off, well, you go to the next screen that you have. Here's my old screen. Put it to the side. Here's the screen I got, the new screen. I got it through the mail just yesterday. It's a nice 3D shipping, and this is the box. So the new screen has a very similar build, and here's the port where the plug is supposed to go and the wire is supposed to go in. So you just plug it back here. Pull the sticker up first and stick it in there. it should snap into it on both sides. If you see the little pins out, then it's not in completely. And then you seal the tape on top. Once that's done, you just put it back on. Again, this might look slightly different. This wire had a yellow tape just like this one to keep it in place, but that shouldn't make any difference in how you install the screen. So you set it up back in its place, put the wire down in here, it's all set up, and then, well, you can test it out before you put the screen back. You just turn the laptop on, notepad on, and there we go, ACES. So I'm just gonna turn this off and put the screen on top. Here's the screen protector. Make sure to pull it off before you put the cover, because this thing is gonna go underneath the cover. Take it off. Feels very good, I have to say. And you put the cover back on. But first off, you put the two bases inside, and then go up. There we go. So then you start again with the silvery screws into the bottom two corners. And then you get the top four. I'd like to get the first two corners just to make sure that it stays stable and that it's put back on right. Oops. And then the two next to the webcams. This method should work for just about any ACES notepad, netbook, and the design is very simple, but it takes very little time to change it, which makes it all the nicer. And now you can just put the stickies on. I'm not going to take your time. The cushiony ones go on top and the flimsy ones go on the bottom. That's it. Enjoy your time, and I wish you enjoy your new screen.